Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up on the video. I really appreciate it and like it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to do the installation of some mudguards. This is on a 2023 Jeep Compass Latitude. It's for all the Jeep Compasses. I believe there's other Jeep models as well, but in my case, it's the Jeep Compass. And I just wanted to show where they would go. And here it is here. The ones on the rear, by the way, do have the Jeep brand, as you can see here. That's how it goes. And you can see kind of where they would attach to. You have to clean it up. But the ones in the front, they don't have any logo at all for the Jeep. They're just straight plastic. And you can see kind of where they go as well. I'll show the installation instructions, but I'm going to go ahead and do just one side in the back and then the one side in the front so you can see. So the first step is, of course, you jack up the car and you remove the tire so you can have access to this area back here. Okay, so after you've taken the wheel out, you will have direct access to this part here. I don't know if you can see there how it's laid out. There's like a bolt up here, but that one you do not touch. These two down here, you do remove. Okay, so there you can see the mudguard installed. This is on the rear wheel. And then those two screws are the ones that they provide. They're Torx 15, I believe. And these are the ones that came off, which were 8mm. And then there is a hole here that you could actually drill a hole. It's in the instructions. And you put one of these, sorry, not one of these, but one of the other things. You put one of these through it in order to hold. I don't know if you can see how it looks like there. And that's if you want to do the drills. I'm not going to be doing the drills. I'm going to check out to see how these function. It does have adhesive along the edge. That's why they want you to clean it up good with alcohol. And then I believe there's another screw they want you to do on the bottom. But I'm going to see how this holds up after driving it for a while. I don't want to make holes in the car that are unnecessary. But let me go ahead and do the front. Okay, and then for the front wheel, you can see here, I already removed the tire. There are 3 screws. One down here, which is an 8mm bolt that you remove. And then those up there, these are the type of, I guess, holding plastic nuts that they use and you remove. And you will be using the ones that they provide in the bag. Okay, and there you can see both of the mudguards installed. The one in the rear and the one here in front. You can see kind of how it is here. Those are the screws or the plastic bolts that were on there before. These are the ones they want you to use. But I'm going to be using the old ones. I'm just going to put them back in place. I'm going to see how these would function. But that's how they go. The one on the bottom, you reuse the 8mm bolt. And then because it does have the adhesive, it should stick on there pretty good. So let me know what you think about the video. Like I said, give me a thumbs up. Like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And check out my other videos as well. Thank you very much. Robert's Video Machine.